We're cutting a fluted column over a little bit of a cut that we tried earlier. So we're going to see it's about a 10-inch diameter fluted column. Here it goes on the start of the fluted column cut. Coming up to the top of the column, there it cuts one of the flutes. Cutting one of the flutes right now. It'll go completely around in about a 10-inch, I think, circle. I didn't particularly size this. It should take about a minute for the entire column cut. The ticking and vibration you hear is typical of stepper motors. It doesn't affect the quality of your work. Another flute. Outside of column. Another flute. Slight upward tapers where you hear the little ticking. Coming around to the upward side now. Outside of column. Now, bud, when this comes out, I want you to slide the block that way and kick the column out about 6 inches. Or maybe you can take it all the way out, and we'll take the whole column out of the piece of foam.
Yeah, blue wire wrapped around your foot.
Okay. Coming up to the last flute. And it should come, you know, I drew it to come back out. So it's coming back out. When I say go, drag it that way, all the way out into the driveway.
Dad, what are you guys making?
Okay, drag it. Okay, kick that fluted column towards me. Kicking it out now. Okay, kick it all the way out. A little bit of our original cut on there, but there's your fluted column, 10 inches in diameter.